Hey there, fellas. Today I think we should do something cheeky. You see, I got an idea after noticing this here packaging material. Now, we've already experimented with it in the past. We actually wrapped an entire car with this and dropped it from about 15 to 20 meters after lifting it with a crane. And after noticing it again today, I got to thinking. Right here I've got a couple of leftover wheels for my car, and while I was passing by, the idea occurred to me that perhaps I could wrap these wheels. Anyway, so remember that old experiment with the springs? At first we thought it was complete nonsense to weld springs to a wheel. But in reality I got into the car, set off, and it was sublime. Granted, they were making a lot of noise, but they worked great. And I'm hoping that this wrap, which is used for packaging, will also work very well. So let's go ahead and cut it to size, wrap the wheels, probably secure it with a bit of tape. Then I fit them to the X5 and go for a drive. Let's do this. Replacing a tire with 300 meters of bubble wrap, originally uploaded in August of 2018, translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. We're doing well, as you can see. I've loaded everything into the trunk. The thing is that the jig I was using initially, it's a jig you'd use for making split-welded wheels. Well, and with it not being all that high off the ground, you just can't get a decent enough layer going, which is why we've decided to visit a tire shop. Now, this very well might take a while, but at least we can wrap it on tightly, because you really can't when you've got one person spinning the thing and another doing the wrapping. But here we'll be able to do a proper job. I've got a bit of Scotch tape that's gonna help secure it. Alright, let's wrap the wheels and go for a drive. We have some results. What can I even say? These are mighty soft. The ride should become very compliant. And we've got these wrapped nice and tight. There is some serious tension between the layers. There is not a lot of slack, and these are hard to compress. Okay, well, it's time to mount these and go do some testing. Let's get to it. Okay, we're ready, we're looking good. And we are just about to test these on the road. We won't just be stopping at setting the car down. And yeah, the weight of the car has crushed the wheels. Well, at least not to the rim. That's reassuring. Okay, now we take to the pavement and carefully roll around. Ivan, how much air did you put into the tire? 1.5? I usually go with 1.8, so that'll do just fine. Let's do this. There is a lot of weight in the trunk. Oh yeah. You can hear him popping. Do you guys hear it? Oh yeah, I really should take it easy. I mean, I do have a heavy right foot. I'm gonna be quick. The rim is touching the pavement. How far have we traveled anyway? 15 meters? Yeah, we're on the rims. So here's what we're looking at, fellas. It's all good and well, of course. It actually felt quite nice for the first few meters. The ride was nice and soft, but since this is a heavy vehicle, and the edges of the wheels squeeze down hard on the wrap, well, the middle section can't hold it up. I guess given the depth, you have to wrap on a whole lot more, and use a smaller diameter wheel. Another thing that's hard to prevent is the wrap sliding off to the side. Anyway, it was soft at first, but then the bubbles were crushed and we were basically driving on the rims. I'd say this experiment was a tremendous success. We're good. The wrap works, but it doesn't last long. Okay, well, send in your suggestions, comment, like, dislike, alright, catch you later.